Hi everyone. Let's get started by looking into some background of Android. Android was developed by Google in 2005. The Android operating system uses Linux kernel as its operating system. We'll quickly look back in time and examine the development of Android versions in this video, from Cupcake to Android 12. So settle back, unwind, and relish the journey. Android's early years from 2008 to 2010 started with release of Android 1.0, sometimes referred to as the alpha version, marked the start of Android's adventure. Android 1.1, primarily a bug patch release, came after it. In April 2009, Google unveiled Android 1.5 Cupcake, the operating system's first significant update. Among other changes, it debuted a redesigned user interface, UI, with widgets and capabilities for video recording. Later that year, Android 1.6 Donut arrived, providing enhancements to the camera and the search engine. Rise of Android began from 2010 to 2014, where Android 2.0 Eclair was released in 2010. It truly took off. It debuted a new user interface, supported multiple accounts, and enhanced messaging and browser functionality. Support for Adobe Flash and mobile hotspot features were added in Android 2.2 Froyo. The UI, keyboard, and copy-paste capability all saw significant upgrades with the 2011 release of Android 2.3 Gingerbread. A significant update was Android 4.0 Ice Cream Sandwich, which included a unified user interface, compatibility for NFC, and Face Unlock. The maturing of Android 2014-2019. Where with Android 4.1 Jelly Bean, which significantly improved performance and user interface, Android underwent further development. A new user interface, improved support for low-end smartphones, and new messaging functions were all introduced in Android 4.4 KitKat. Along with better battery life and support for 64-bit processors, Android 5.0 Lollipop was a significant update that introduced material design, a new visual language for the operating system. App permissions and battery management were improved in Android 6.0 Marshmallow. The most recent Android versions 2019 to present, the focus of the most recent Android releases has been on enhancing privacy and security features, while also introducing new functionality. A system-wide dark mode, enhanced gesture navigation, and greater privacy options were all introduced with Android 10. With Android 11, messaging was improved, new media controls were added, and foldable device support was strengthened. Android 12 was released in 2021. It has additional privacy measures, a much improved user interface, and haptic audio capability. The most recent version of Android, version 13, is currently released in 2022. Android has come a long way over the years and it's still evolving. There are more than around 2.5 billion active device types worldwide. Example device types are from tablet, mobile, Android television, smartwatch, and Android Auto. That's it for the short summary of Introduction to Android. If you do find this video helpful, please do like, share, comment, and hit on subscribe button for more Android videos. Please stay tuned till the next video. Thank you.